Hello, my dear students of Beacon High School. As you all know, 2nd October we celebrate Gandhi Jayanti. So today we are going to learn how to make a simple Gandhiji in a symbolic way in linings. Doing this sketching, in between I will like to share some unsung incidents or fact about his life. So let's start the work. Requirement: we need drawing book, pencil, a black marker and eraser. Before starting the work, we will think about the image of Gandhiji in different ways. Just think and try to create the work by your own. First of all, you have to see the real image of Gandhiji and study his eyes, nose, ears, mouth and the outline, so it will be easy to you to draw. Now first you have to bring the image of Gandhiji in front of your eye and you are going to try to bring that one same on the book. Now for example, now see here, I will start the work. How we are making a question mark, we are going to do like that first, then the nose. We are going to draw this one with the pencil first and then we are going to make with a marker. In this way, as I told you that I am going to tell you the unsung incidents of his real life which we don't know. Gandhiji, the father of our nation, Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, or better known as Gandhiji or Bapu. Second, he walked so much that it was estimated that the total distance walked by him in the entire life was equivalent to walking the earth twice. So that much he used to walk. You know, nowadays we are walking half a kilometer, we are getting the breathing problem. But he used to walk and he was very fit because of walking. Now in this way we are going to make the lines. As the image comes in front of you, you are going to make the lines easily. If the lines are wrong, you can erase that one. And the hand, because this is also the stick of Gandhiji, we have to show that one also. In this way we will make the fingers. Here I will teach you 2-3 figures and you can make that also, and by your own also you are going to make it. And then we will come to the main weapon, we can call it, of Gandhiji, his stick. Wherever he goes, he used to take this one. In this way, our first one sketching is finished. Now you can see it is so easy that in a symbolic way you can use this one. You can use a tricolor for this one and then you can give the outline with a marker. Make in a number 2. We are going to write down the number 2 first here. In this way. And after that we will come to the spects. Now you know that he was so particular in time that whenever he got late in his prayer, he would to stand outside and won't let himself in the house. That much particular he was on the time. You know, Gandhiji loved cooking. He used to make a pudding out of chapatis. This is also one thing. Now ears we will make. Now nose, we have to be careful while making the nose. The shape of the nose is little bit different of Gandhiji's. this way. Also, Gandhiji could write with both of his hand, and people used to understand easily what is written. He used to use his both the hands for writing, and with both the hands he used to write so neatly that a normal people also used to understand what he is writing. Here our second image is completed. Now we will come to third one. Now we will start with the head here. Just draw the head. The back portion we are going to show. Then after that, do you know that Gandhiji in his entire life he has seen only one movie, and the name of that movie is Ram Rajya, which was released in 1943. So in his whole entire life he has seen only one movie. In this way we will make just a zigzag here so that the back portion it will look exact like Gandhiji. In this way the hands. You will be surprised to know that almost every country has a road named Yamji Road, Mahatma Gandhi Road. Just we called it as MG Road. In this way we will make the stick, and this line will come down. Now this third image, so easy one. Now we will come to fourth one. We will start with the head. Gandhiji was such a true believer of non-violence that he even rejected Subhash Chandra Bose from allowing his army from attacking the British. That much non-violence he used to love. The linings will come in a simple way. The hand portion now. In this way. This line will come here. Small and funny, but Gandhiji loved comics. You know that? Gandhiji used to read the funny and small comics whenever he used to be free. He was a very knowledgeable person too. He could do his signature in almost over 11 languages. These are the some real facts of Gandhiji's. The small one, but very important, which many of them are not knowing about that. The stick we will make here. Now after completing the pencil work, we are going to draw the same images with the marker. Now here you can use a watercolor in as we are coloring for the flag. In a tricolor you can use the watercolor, not the poster color, watercolor, tube colors. Just you can give the strokes of the flag and you can make the outline with the marker. You can do that also, or you can only make the outline directly with the marker. So if you are giving the tricolor, it will look more beautiful and nice. Here our 4 images of Gandhijis are completed with the pencil. Now one of this I will show you in the marker. Take a pointed marker. This one is little bit big one, but take a pointed marker, and just wherever you have drawn with the pencil, you are going to draw on that. But you know that Vaishnav Janato is one of the most popular Hindi bhajan written by Narsiha Mehta. This bhajan was included in Mahatma Gandhi's daily prayer. I will say some lines. I will try that one. It is a very beautiful one. वैष्णव जन तो तेने कहिए जे पीड़ पराई जाने रे वैष्णव जन तो तेने कहिए जे पीड़ पराई जाने रे मन पर दुखे उपकार करे तोए मन अभिमान ना आने रे वैष्णव जन तो जेने कहिए जे पीड़ पराई जाने रे वैष्णव जन तो. In this way we will complete our linings with the marker, and wherever you can see the pencil work, you can erase that one. So make like this beautiful images by your own, create the new one and enjoy this one. Thank you.